Florida. It's gonna be so much fun.
Come in the middle there.
Ooh.
Oh, since we're gonna be stuck here, you guys want to get a drink later tonight?
You want to dance?
Your boob is hanging out!
Meg's an expert at pulling off a dress.
Not this time. Oh, cute suit. I'll see you by the pool.
Holy shit!
Kicking the door. Ready for war to start. Occupied!
Are you okay? You got something on you.
Do anything for that man. Anybody got my way, I kill him. I kill you, I kill you, I kill everyone.
Whoa! I take Krav Maga for why? That was a straight up kill shot.
You took a fucking kill shot at me? Kicking the door.
Probably.
Oh, I'm sorry! Did you hit him in his good eye?
She hit me in my only eye.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.